Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable sidebar on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and from here just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now just tap on smart sidebar and from here just make sure you enable smart sidebar. Now once you enable this option, a small bar will appear at the right side of your smartphone. Now to open the sidebar, just swipe from the right side to the left and you can open the sidebar. And from here you can open any app in a window, just like that. And this is how you can enable sidebar on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.